said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You also have to look around once in a while. You can miss it.
Well, the K20Swap Colt is back in the workshop, and today, well, I think today, that's why it's on the ramp, it's having its LSD fitted. So that should be a nice upgrade, possibly get the dog bone mount that has been fabricated, adjusted, make a modification to that, because it is really tearing it up, and we need to make a solution so that we can put the power down without ripping bits of gearbox off or gearbox casing off. I've not been in it for a little while, so I'm looking forward to getting it back out there, having a bit of fun. I think the police have probably stopped me for driving that to work. It's not going to be it's not going to look like it's essential, is it? But we shall see. Maybe go and put some fuel in it. They can't say I can't put fuel in it, so let's go and get that done once it's fixed. Fingers crossed. I shall take some photographs as we go today, as Jason will be busy on that. Yeah, cool. Hope everyone's well. Hope everyone's safe and well, and looking after each other and being kind and helping out. But God bless us all, and I hope we all stay safe, and we all stay well and healthy. Speak soon. Right, it's out. Well done, lads. Where's me hole?
Yeah, if you could not fuck it up, that'd be great.
Yeah, that's great. I'll try not to. Oh, you're not supposed to be able to see through there, mate.
Less weight.
Too much power.
Less weight, no gearbox oil.
Yeah. Well, if you wouldn't mind fitting my box with the LSD in now, Jason, that'd be great.
No.
No.
Yeah.
I'm not carrying the box down from upstairs. Come on, Jason, big strong lad.
Why don't you both carry it between you? Instead of one person struggling.
Would I lie to you, baby? Would I lie to you? Oh, yeah.
Straight in then, Jason, straight in. Rodney, you plonker.